how to buy crypto on Pionex. If you want to buy crypto on Pionex, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. What we have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Pionex application, and this is the interface you will see. Right when you log in, at the top you can see the option called buy crypto. So all you have to do is tap on the buy crypto option there. Then now you can choose how you want to buy crypto. You can choose to buy crypto with fiat currency, which means real payment method. So you have express method, you have P2P method, which has zero fee, you have third party, or you have bank transfer, which also has zero fee for depositing euros and GBP to buy crypto. Depending upon which payment method is more suitable for you, I will select bank transfer. It will ask me to verify my identity before I can buy crypto. So if you haven't done so, tap the verify button there. Then once you tap on the verify button, you can enter the amount of crypto you wish to buy, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically buy cryptocurrency. So I hope this video helps you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.